Have you ever wondered why so many people are stuck in the 9-to-5 rut and how it's affecting their personal growth? Take a moment and ponder about the ubiquitous 9-to-5 culture. It's a lifestyle that's been ingrained into our societal fabric for generations. But where did it originate from? Well, it traces its roots back to the Industrial Revolution, where factory workers were required to clock in long hours. Fast forward to now, and it's become the norm, the expected way of life for most. This culture has been programmed into our minds as the standard path to follow. Wake up, commute, work, commute, sleep and repeat. But at what cost? It's often at the expense of our personal growth and development. With such a regimented routine, where is the room for creativity, for innovation, for self-improvement? The 9-to-5 grind can be a trap, a monotonous cycle that leaves little room for us to venture beyond our comfort zones and explore our full potential. It's a lifestyle that prioritizes trading time for money, often leaving us feeling unfulfilled and stagnant. But it's crucial to remember that while this might be the societal norm, it doesn't necessarily have to be your norm. There are countless avenues to explore, numerous paths to tread that don't revolve around the traditional 9-to-5 schedule. The 9-to-5 grind might be the standard, but it doesn't have to be your standard. What if we told you that your time is worth more than just a paycheck? Imagine, if you will, a world where the hours and minutes of your day are not just traded for dollars and cents, but invested in your personal growth and development. This is a concept that challenges the conventional wisdom that time equals money. In truth, time is more than money. It's a non-renewable resource that once spent can never be earned back. It's the currency of life, and how we choose to spend it directly influences our quality of life. Consider this: every minute you spend working a job you dislike is a minute you're not spending on things that bring you joy or on activities that foster your personal and professional growth. Your time, your life is worth so much more than the paycheck at the end of the month. The idea of using time for personal growth isn't about shirking responsibilities or abandoning the idea of work altogether. Rather, it's about understanding the value of your time and making the conscious choice to spend it on activities that contribute to your overall happiness and well-being. So, the next time you find yourself trading your precious hours for a paycheck, remember this: your time is not just a commodity, it's an opportunity to learn, to grow, to live a life that's truly meaningful. Your time is a valuable asset. Use it wisely. How much do you invest in your personal development? We've been conditioned to believe that our worth is tied to our work, our job titles, and our paychecks. But what if I told you that there's more to life than the grind of the 9-to-5 job? The truth is, our true value lies not in our job title, but in our personal development. Think about it. Personal development is like a never-ending journey of self-improvement. It's about enhancing our skills, expanding our knowledge, and nurturing our passions. It's about becoming the best version of ourselves beyond our professional roles. Imagine the benefits of continuous learning and skill acquisition. The more you learn, the more you grow. And the more you grow, the more valuable you become. You become a more well-rounded individual, a problem solver, a critical thinker. You increase your capacity to adapt to an ever-changing world. And let's not forget about exploring our passions outside of work. This is where we find joy, fulfillment, and a sense of purpose. This is where we discover who we truly are and what we truly want. So take a moment to reflect. How much of your time, energy, and resources are you directing towards your personal development? Remember, investing in yourself isn't just about improving your skills or knowledge. It's about becoming a better, more complete version of yourself. Investing in yourself is the best investment you can make. Are you ready to break free from the 9-to-5 trap? It's not a rhetorical question, it's a call to action, it's a challenge, but how do you do it? Well, here's the thing. No one ever broke free from anything by standing still. You need to move, to act, to change. The first step is setting personal goals. What do you want your life to look like beyond the 9-to-5? What are your dreams, your aspirations? You need to define them, write them down, make them tangible. Goals give you a destination to aim for. Next, pursue your passions. Yes, you've heard it before, but it's true. Your passions are your fuel, your fire. They're what will drive you forward when the going gets tough. If you're passionate about something, it won't feel like work, it'll feel like living. Finally, seek other income streams. This is where the rubber meets the road. The 9-to-5 mindset is all about trading time for money, but there are other ways. You could start a side business, invest in real estate, learn about stocks and shares, write a book. The possibilities are endless, so remember, freedom from the 9-to-5 isn't some lofty, unattainable dream. It's achievable, tangible, real. It may take time, effort, and a whole lot of courage, but it's within your reach. Freedom from the 9-to-5 is achievable, you just need to take the first step. Ever thought about the role self-discipline plays in your life outside of work? Imagine self-discipline as that secret ingredient that adds that extra flavor to your favorite dish. It's subtle, often unnoticed, but it makes all the difference. In the context of your life, self-discipline is the hidden force that drives you to achieve your personal goals and maintain a balanced life. But here's the thing, self-discipline isn't just about doing what you're supposed to do. It's about doing what you need to do, even when no one's watching, even when there's no immediate reward. It's about making choices that are right for you, choices that align with your personal and professional goals. This is where the magic happens. Because when you start living a life guided by self-discipline, you start to realize that you are not confined to the 9-to-5 lifestyle. You realize that you have the power to create your own path, to live on your own terms. It's like breaking free from a cage you didn't know you were in. You start to see opportunities where you once saw obstacles. You start to live a life of purpose, a life of passion, a life of fulfillment. But remember, this doesn't happen overnight. It's a journey that starts with a single step. And that step is self-discipline. Self-discipline is the key to unlocking your potential. Can you envision a future without the constraints of a 9-to-5 job? Picture this. The world is your oyster, and every day is a blank canvas ready to be painted with the vibrant colors of your passions and interests. It's a life where your personal growth isn't stifled by the monotony of daily grind. Instead, it's fueled by the freedom to explore, learn, and evolve at your own pace. Imagine the joy of waking up every morning, not to the shrill sound of an alarm clock, but to the excitement of a new day brimming with endless possibilities. You're no longer a cog in the corporate machine, but the master of your own destiny, free to pursue what truly sets your soul on fire. Consider the profound sense of fulfillment that comes from creating your own path, charting your own course, and realizing your dreams on your own terms. You're not just earning a living, but living a life that's rich in experiences, learning, and personal growth. Think about the potential for financial independence. You're not trading your precious time for money anymore. Instead, you're investing your time wisely, creating multiple streams of income that work for you, even when you're not working. The future is not written in stone. It's up to you to shape it. Don't let the 9-to-5 define you. Be bold, be brave, and dare to dream beyond the confines of the 9-to-5. The future is yours for the taking. As we move forward, remember that this transition from the 9-to-5 is not just about earning more money or having more free time. It's about embracing a journey of self-discovery, growth, and transformation. It's about venturing into the unknown, taking risks, and learning from your experiences. It's about discovering your true passions, honing your skills, and turning your dreams into reality. It's about creating a life that truly reflects who you are and what you aspire to be. You have the power to shape your future. It's in your hands. Every decision you make, every step you take, brings you closer to the life you envision. So don't be afraid to dream big, take bold actions, and make a difference. Remember, the journey may be challenging and there may be obstacles along the way, but it's through these challenges and obstacles that you grow stronger, wiser, and more resilient. So embrace the journey, cherish every moment, and make the most of every opportunity that comes your way. And as you embark on this exciting journey, remember you're not alone. You're part of a growing community of like-minded individuals who are also breaking free from the 9-to-5, pursuing their passions and shaping their own future. Together we can support each other, learn from each other, and inspire each other to reach new heights. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Break free from the 9-to-5 and shape your future.